So first, on what basis classification you should have to be think about that. Number one, organization. What is called organization. Organization. Based upon organization. Number two, nature of coelom. Nature of coelom. Next, segmentation. Based upon segmentation. Then what we called notochord, presence or absence of notochord. Then what we called and the organ system, whether organ system is there or not. These are all the things we can consider for the basis of classification. First, levels of organization. What we are discussing, levels of organization. These points you should have to remember. Levels of organization. Animalia. So Animalia, kingdom Animalia or metazoans. Metazoans are also metazoans. Multicellular. These are what? Multicellular. First point. And exhibit different patterns of cellular organization. Patterns of cellular organizations. This point also you should have to remember. Then, not capable of independent existence. What we called the cells of the metazoans. The cells are not capable of independent existence. They can't exist independently. Independent existence. Then what? Independent existence. And exhibit, not capable of, and exhibit division of labor. Exhibit division of labor. This also you should have to remember. So among the metazoans, so these are the things you should have to remember. So cells may be functionally isolated. This point you have to remember. Isolated are also similar kind of cells. Similar kind of cells may be grouped together. Grouped together to form what? Tissues. To form tissues, organ and organ system. Organ system. So this is the one thing. So all cells together form tissue level organization or organ level organization, organ system level organization will be there. The next one, first one, what is that in that? Cellular level organization. What is this meaning of this? Means only cells are there in the total body. It's a basic level of organization. Basic level of organization. This one we have to remember. Next, where we can see examples in the sponges. Loosely, all the cells in the sponges, loose aggregates. This is the one you have to remember. Loose aggregates and do not form tissues. Do not form tissues. This one also you should have to remember. Next one, what? Okay, and they exhibit only what kind of organization? Cellular level organization. Cellular level organization will be there. The next important thing is, okay, cellular level organization. Labor, this is division of labor, division of labor, division of labor among the cells. Among the cells also will be there. Okay, next one, different types of cells functionally. The cells functionally isolated. Functionally isolated. Cells are functionally isolated. Okay, for example, here I am writing the sponges. Okay, sponges. Okay, in the sponges, pinacocytes. Pinacocytes. Okay, pinacocytes. What they will do? These pinacocytes, size and structure. They are helpful for what? Maintain of size and structure. The second one is pinacocytes. Then kyanocytes. Kyanocytes. These are kyanocytes. Okay. These are helpful for water flow. Maintains the water flow because they have flagella. Okay. They have flagella. So maintains the water flow and respiratory and digestive functions. What they will do? Respiratory and also digestive functions. Who will do? The kyanocytes. Okay, like this, the division of, okay, spawns to facilitate in the respiratory and digestive functions. Why? Because they have flagella. Okay, children. Okay, should listen very carefully. Animal kingdom. Animals are on what basis classification are done? In the sense, all the phylums of animals, invertebrates and vertebrates. Majorly in our textbook they given so many are there, but here only few given. Organization, nature of coelom, segmentation, notochord, organ system. Organization, just now I wrote cellular level organization or tissue level organization or organ level organization or organ system organization, like that different types of organizations are there. Nature of coelom. What is the coelom? This is ectoderm, this is the endoderm. The space is there, no? This space is called coelom. So if the coelom is present, coelomates. If the coelom is absent, acoelomate. If some tissues are there, mesanglian cells are there, in the sense pseudocoelom. Like that, depend upon what you call coelom also, animals divided. Then segmentation, segments are there, notochord. So organ system level, organ level, like that organization will be there. First we have to discuss first basis on the of the classification. What is that? Levels of organization. Animalia, metazoans are multicellular, means number of cells are present. Different pattern of cellular organization will be there. What are the different patterns? Cells to tissues. Okay, tissues to, you know very well, organs, like that, you know that. So like this, animal shows a cellular level organization, tissue level organization, or organ level organ system. Cells are not capable. So if you take out the cell and keep inside separately, they can't perform. Cells are not capable of independent existence and exhibit division of labor. They can't, what you called, independently exist, and they can't exhibit the division of labor. Cells are there. Those cells may be functionally isolated or similar kind of cells grouped together to form what they will form, grouped to tissues, organ and organ systems are there. So now what we are going to discuss, there are cells, group of cells functionally similar or dissimilar, but all the cells of what you call cells grouped together to form tissues, organ and organ system. Here I am writing about cellular level organization. It's a basic. First one is what, first one what, cells, tissues. In the word cells, tissues, organs. First one is cellular level organization. It's a basic level of organization. Basic, the first level organization is cellular level organization, where we can see this basic level organization in the sponges. Sponges in the sense which phylum? You know that the phylum name is Porifera. This in these sponges, how the cells are arranged in the sense, these all cells loosely aggregates and do not form the tissues. Very very important point. No formation of tissues. Just cells only aggregate very loosely. So that's why it is considered as a which one? Cellular level organization. But division of labor among the cells. So some cells will perform some function, some will perform the another function. Like that, the division of labor among the cells are there. They are functionally isolated, so they can separate by the functions. The sponges are mainly different types of cells. I said no division of labor. Some examples I am giving. The sponge cells, pinacocytes. They are plate-like structures. What like structures? Plate-like structures. They are helpful for the size and structure of the sponges. So particular size and structure maintained by which cells? Pinacocytes. Then kynocytes. These kynocytes are have the flagella. Very important. They are helpful for what? Face the water flow in the water, and helpful for the respiration and digestive functions. So pinacocytes and kynocytes have somewhat different functions. Here pinacocytes for size and structure, but here the kynocytes helpful for water flow and respiration and digestive functions. Like that, division of labor is there among the what you called the cellular level organization. The next one, tissue level organization. What you called tissue level. Tissue level organization. What is it? Tissue level. Okay. Tissue level organization. Tissue. Okay. Tissue level organ. Tissue. Okay. Tissue level organization. This one also you should have to organization. Tissue level organization. In animals, some animals, cells that perform similar functions, cells which perform similar functions, okay, similar functions, those all cells aggregate, okay, what they will do, aggregate to form, these all cells aggregate to form, what they will form, they aggregate to form tissues, okay, tissues, okay, these tissues, what they will do, they integrate in a highly coordinated fashion, so these all tissues integrated in a coordinated fashion, remember this one, okay, coordinated fashion, okay, this one you have to remember, coordinated fashion to perform common function, okay, common function, integrated in what you call coordinated fashion and performs the common function. Due to the presence of what you call nerve cells and sensory cells, they have nerve cells and what you call sensory cells, very very important, nerve cells and sensory cells, okay, these are helpful for the perform the common function, okay. Next one, diploblastic. This tissue level organization, very very important, exhibit tissue level organization, exhibit tissue level organization, exhibits exhibits. What they will exhibit? This is a very important. Okay, exhibited, exhibited. Okay, exhibited in where we will see, especially diploblastic animals. Okay, the tissue level organization exhibited in diploblastic animals. Like examples, what Cnidarians. What you called Cnidaria or Cnidarians. Next one, the first towards evolution. The tissue level, the formation of tissue. First tissue formation is the first step towards the evolution. This point you should have to first step towards to the evolution. Tissue formation is first step towards to the evolution of body plane and animals. Evolution of body plane, what you call animals. What are the body plane animals? Example. What is the example? Body plane animals example. What you call Hydra. Hydra means which phylum? Coelenterata. Okay, Coelenterata phylum. This point you should have to remember. Okay, the next one we are going to discuss about organ level organization. What you call organ level? Tissue level, then organ level organization. This also very important. Organ level organization. Kinds of tissues. Here different kinds of tissues. Different kind of tissues. Different kinds of tissues. What will happen? These different kinds of tissues, okay, aggregate to form. Okay, aggregate to form organs. You know very well. Tissues will be, what will happen? A specific aggregate to form organ. This organ will perform specific function. Okay, this is a very important specific function. So first one, after tissue advancement, what you called advancement. This is advancement. Tissue after organ level means little advancement over the tissue level. Little advancement is over the tissue level organ formation. Okay, this point you should have to remember. Okay, next one, first phylum. Which phylum? This shows the first phylum where we can see in the Platyhelminthes. Which phylum we will see this kind of tissue level organization in the Platyhelminthes. So children, what are the points are there in this tissue level organization? First, what is that? Cells, a group of cells, all performs a similar function. So the cells which will perform the similar function aggregate to form tissues. These tissues integrated and coordinated fashion and performs the common function. So that is tissue level organization. For example, in these tissues, what are the nerve cells are there, sensory cells are there. That's why common function, they coordinate the common function. So tissue level organization exhibited in the first diploblastic. Diploblastic means through germ layers. Ectoderm and what are the diploblastic? Ecto and endo, both are there in the sense they will be called diploblastic. Examples were Cnidarians. So first, how they will be coordinate fashion and common function they will perform, because they have nerve cells and sensory cells in the tissue cells, in the tissue group of cells, no? So that's why they are coordinated fashion and performs a common function. So first tissues, first step towards the evolution of body plan animals. Tissue formation or tissue level organization is first step towards evolution of body plan animals like Hydra and Coelenterata. Second one, what is called organ level organization. There are different kinds of tissues. Aggregate to form organs. These organs perform the specific function. So advancement over the, this is the organ formation is advancement. So little improved organization over the tissue level. So next, the best example of organ level organization is phylum Platyhelminthes. What do you call? Phylum Platyhelminthes. Next one, organ system level organization. So tissue level organization. The next one is organ system level organization. That one we are going to discuss. Organ system level. Organ system level organization. Organ system level. Organ system level. Okay, organ system level organization. So highest level of organization. So this is the highest level of organization. This is the point you should have to remember. Highest level of organization. Here exhibited, who will exhibit? Mainly flatworms. Okay, flatworms. Next, nematodes, annelids. Okay, annelids, arthropods, and mollusks. Next, echinoderms, and chordates. Echinoderms and chordates are there. So these are all performed by organ system level organization. So mesoderm in these animals. So the evolution of mesoderm. The evolution. Okay, evolution in mesoderm. Mesoderm, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. You know the mesoderm in these animals led the structural complexity. Leads to what? Structural complexity. Evolution happened in the mesoderm, and that is leads to structural complexity. So tissues, then what happened? Tissues to organs. Okay, these organs formed. Then organs to, what will happen? You know, organs all grouped together. Organ system is developed. Okay, each system has specific function. Each organ system, have what is called a specific function. These points also you should have to remember. Okay, each system has specific function. So nerve sensory cells, for example, nerve and sensory cells. Okay, nerve and sensory cells, nerve cells and sensory cells. Okay, function of the sensory cells, coordinates. Okay, this is a very important. Coordinates integrate the coordinates and integrates. Okay, the functions of organ system. Functions of organ system. Next, this one, what we have to observe, very important. So digestive system of, for example, Platyhelminthes. What we have to do? Platyhelminthes digestive system. What is the Platyhelminthes digestive system? Okay, so only one opening means only one opening will be there. Okay, next, the another one, next one, incomplete. This only one opening means what we call, this is incomplete digestive system. This point you should have to remember. And Aschelminthes, this point you should have to remember. Aschelminthes, what we have to do? Chordates. What you called from Askelman's to chordate, you know very well, a complete digestive system. Complete digestive, complete. Okay, complete digestive system also formed. Complete digestive system. Okay, next like that, circulation system. What is the circulation system? You know very well. Open, okay, open to open type to closed type, like that. Open type and closed type circulation system. Then next, like that, the developmental processes is there. Okay, children, once listen. Last one is in the organizations, the highest level organization is organ system level organization, where we can see this highest level organization in the flatworms, nematodes means platyhelminthes, ascomyces, annelids, arthropods, mollusks, echinodermata, chordata. In these all phylums, the top level organization is highest level organization is organ system level organization. So the evolution in mesoderm leads to what happened? Structural complexity formed. Later, what happened? The structural complexity means complete shape and structure developed. Okay, the tissues, first how this organ system level happened. The tissues converts into organs. Organs togetherly, you know, all organs togetherly form organ system. Each system performs specific function. For example, in the system, in the organs and tissues, nerve cells and sensory cells are there. No, they will coordinate and integrate the functions of organ system. So now this organ system, one phylum have developed and undeveloped. For example, platyhelminthes digestive organ system is what you call incomplete digestive system, means not that much developed, only one opening, means only mouth is there, no anus is absent. So anus is absent in the sense, what is that? That is called incomplete digestive system. Complexity not there in the organ system. Later, after platyhelminthes, ascomyces to chordates means annelida, arthropoda, mollusca, echinodermata, chordata. Complete digestive system means there will be mouth, what is there? Mouth to anus, complete digestive system means organ system is complexity is increased. Okay, simple complexity to highest. Simple complexity only mouth, but highly complexity is there in the sense that is called complete digestive system, mouth to anus formation. Same like that, circulation system. For example, the blood is flowing in the sinuses, okay, or what you called open canals. Sinuses are open, just without any blood vessels, the blood is flowing in the sense. Such kind of circulation system means simple organ system, where best example of simple organ system, open type, where this open type example, where we can see, you know, insects, cockroaches we will see. But closed type, if we see humans, so what is happened here? Here also organ system, here also organ system, but here the organ system is not that much complexity is there, but here closed means what? Blood is flowing in the what? Blood vessels, and you know very well, arteries and veins, the blood is flowing. That's why that is called closed type of circulation system. Open type of circulation system, closed type of circulation system. So simple to complexity is there in the organ system also. So organ system level is highest level of organization. Okay, children, next class we are going to discuss about what we called the most important topic is diploblastic. Next class what? Diploblastic and triploblastic. What is diploblastic? What is triploblastic animals? And what are these examples of diploblastic and triploblastic animals? We will be discussed. Thank you, children. Next class we will meet.